Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this tablet. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome. Now access background apps by tapping on this button with 3 lines and click on an icon of your app. Over here you need to click on Opening Pop-up View. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button. In order to access it, tap on the bubble. If you want to use it overlay the other app, just enter the other one and operate in both. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by holding it and dragging it to remove section, or simply closing it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!